Chickasaw, Fayette, and Floyd. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm warning for Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa until 3:15 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nashville to near Denver, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Nashville around 2:30 p.m. Alny around 2:35 p.m. New Hampton around 2:40 p.m. Fredericksburg around 2:45 p.m. Lawler and Jericho around 2:50 p.m. Protivin around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bradford, Chickasaw, New Hampton Airport, County Roads B28 and B18, Republic, Highway 18 and County V18, and County Roads B56 and B33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Chickasaw, Iowa. In northeastern Iowa until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Aurora, or 9 miles southeast of O-Line, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
What? Not now. Not now. I'm right here. Not now. Hold on. Just hold on. No, I don't have time for that right now.
Thunderstorms include Highway 93 and County West 14, Donis, Valley River State Park, Mobina, Vandalia, Highway 3 and 187, and County Road West 45 and 187. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Fayette, Iowa,